Hello, welcome to our channel, Make Plant Create. I'm Serena. I started making Eli this little slide a couple of weeks ago from a pallet that I had in the chicken coop and a ladder that I've had in the chicken coop. I was making it by myself, so I just used what I could find, this piece of plywood and some clamps to hold everything together so that I could build this platform. I bought the slide along with a swing and another slide for $25 on Craigslist. So altogether, this was a pretty inexpensive project since I had most of the materials just laying around that I used to piece it together. It's pieced together. It's kind of done in a Frankenstein style of a way, but you know, it works. We used a heat gun to form the edge of the slide to sit on the platform a little bit tighter. I wish I would have shown us bending these conduit pipes that we had to make the rails, but I didn't video any of that. And in order for the rails not to wobble, we drilled some holes right through these little 4x4 pieces, and Billy also drilled some holes right through the top of the pallet to slide the rails through the pallet and into the 4x4 to hold everything into place. While Olive painted the platform and the ladder for the slide, Billy and I did some yard cleanup, some mowing, some weed eating, some tree trimming. And just so you guys get a perspective of where the playground area is located, it's on the back side of the garden there that's fenced in, and our house is just there to the right. So now Eli has a little play area right next to the garden with a trampoline, a swing set, and a slide.
Let's see you use your little horsey now. Yeah, let's see you. You like it? Can you make it go?
Yeah, there you go. Push, pull.
You gotta use your arms
pull.
and your feet. Yeah.
Push, pull.
Push, pull.